man. Yes, man. Wicked selector. Hear this again, again, again. Corruption and violence. Yeah, man. Assassin them all.
Me not afraid. Me fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood. Me not afraid. Me fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood. Me not afraid. Me fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood. Me not afraid. Me fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood.
I'm not afraid, cause fear's what I have for breakfast. Take a walk to digest it, stepping senseless through a quiet city where peeps is reckless, where hate infects the soul, burns the asbestos. It morphed us into sexists, robbers, rapists, bombers, got throats with the llamas. So many fled, now they runaways of summers. So many dead, as many as the weeping mamas. We're still in chains, the revolution was in vain. They turned us brother against brother, Abel and Cain, Maine. I gotta fight them for my seeds, otherwise they'll suffer if I don't do the deeds.
Them a poison the food for the children and contaminate the water we drink. We have to rise and burn down the system. All of them corrupt and greedy, you see. The politician never care about the poor people like you and me who live with just fear. We have to burn them down, chase them down, this corrupt politician. Me not afraid. We fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood. Me not afraid. We fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood.
Nah, they don't. I'm not afraid, cause fear's the biggest setback. 20 years I set back, watching folks get smacked around by these pretentious politicians. But nowadays my squad of lynchers ain't fictitious. Repping up to take them down, stepping up and shake the ground. Rep the snub, take them out, hit the drums banging loud now. You with me or you against us? We'll let these bullets fly for freedom, we're not gangsters. And this is no fucking joke, we're not pranksters. We'll tie these motherfuckers to some gas canisters and blow them up like airplane fellatio. Cause we all both good and bad, it differs the ratio.
Them a poison the food for the children and contaminate the water we drink. We have to rise and burn down the system. All of them corrupt and greedy, you see. The politician never care about the poor people like you and me who live with just fear. We have to burn them down, chase them down, this corrupt politician. Me not afraid. We fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood. Me not afraid. We fight every day against Babylon, who turn us in slaves. Against the politician, them a poison the food. They never show love to the hood.
If you with me or you against us?
I'm me, man. Against the politician, all of them corrupt and greedy.
You with me or you repping up to take them down.
All of them corrupt and greedy, you seen. DJ Chebe,
They're no match for me.
DJ Chebe, you realize who I am? DJ Chebe.
Don't compare me to you.